positions here on the put side now. I'm going to the put side now because this rally definitely should be, getting pulled back. That was the target and it is achieved. So I'm expecting it to come down. I'm going to collect 15 points from this. So that's my target. If I can collect 15 points from the put side, that will be great because then I'm also achieving my daily targets. Plus, it's a very risk-free trade. In my opinion, this is one of the risk-free trades. So already it is giving 6 rupees, but I need additional 9 more rupees. Then I will exit. So wonderful rally that was, but I was not comfortable getting onto the call side. Fresh entries are not advisable. Probably if you had took something at the bottom, you could have trailed it. I have taken, but I closed it at 407. This 43500C. Currently, it is at 442. Mhm. Mhm. 6 points I'm able to get, but I would like to convert it into a 15-point trade. Um, Hi Kaushik, yes, in straddle, is it good to add more quantities as market moves in one direction? Um, See, it's a very generic question, right? Like, it all depends on where the market is heading and whether after you add the position, which side are you going to add? Are you going to add more quantities on the losing side or on the winning side, right? That's very important to understand. And It all depends on the case to case basis. We can't be so specific about this, Kaushik. Straddle, if you have initiated, sometimes if it is breaking out on one particular side, um, wait for the differential gain. Don't do anything. Don't add any quantities. Don't do anything. Just wait for the differential gain. That would be far more rewarding. You can see that the second leg of breakout happening here. Pretty strong move that is. Let's check that out. Uh, uh, wow, it's pretty strong. Mhm. So I've entered into the put side, 43,900 put. I entered at 327 and I'm targeting 15 points. So looking for 342. Let's switch. This one is continuously on the upside. Let me just switch to Bank Nifty alone, this chart, so that we can get more details zooming in. So it has entered the resistance level, got rejected in this candle, and then the next candle is turning red. But will it break this and then go further higher, or is going to reverse? Let's wait and watch. The ITM strikes are not appreciating. What a sad thing. The way calls were appreciating, the puts are not appreciating so much. Suddenly I'm seeing a jump now. That's cool. Mhm. It's continuing to rally up. Um, Reached 800. Mhm. Mhm. So the rally continues on the upside. This one I bought at 327. Currently it has come down to 316. So I'll see whether I want to do average or I just will square this off. But I'm not going to quickly square this off. It could very well be a trap. So I would like to wait and see how the market responds over here and then decide. These are ITMs, right? Like ITM strikes will just simply jump. With smallest of moves, it will jump. So I don't need to do any averaging because 10 points for ITMs you don't have to average. You just need to wait. That should release. Mhm. Mhm. Already back to 323, so just 4 points lower. I didn't do any averaging also. I just left it there. Um, okay. sensing it should drop from here. Uh, Not because I'm holding P, but it looks like markets gonna keep it range bound. Next 30 minutes, I'll see if it is continuing to trend up. I will book the P in loss and then exit. But right now, not much of a loss, like around 2 rupees. That's okay. But I am seeing a strong opportunity for reversals. Although the pattern is suggesting upside, definitely. So all this, continuous uptrend. Um, let's see. Now the puts without any average is entered into profits. Um, just keen on seeing where it might quickly go and touch 340. Yeah, it's going pretty fast. It's going pretty fast. Absolutely. Uh-huh. So where are the orders placed? Should I think I should wait because taken such a risky trade, I should wait. Because if you are on the call side and then running along the profits, it's about trailing. You are taking a contra position, and the contra positions are, if it works, it is going to be super rewarding. So, having entered in, I would like to take some advantage of it because it is one likely scenario where market could reverse from here, and why not? Why not take advantage of it? Okay, Grace, wait. Sit. Okay, sit. My dog is extremely playful. She wants to play, getting bored. Okay, okay, sit. Let me check the comments. I don't know if somebody asked any question. Uh, Good side if market is bullish and add more quantities calls. Yeah, you can do that, Kaushik. Definitely, that you can do. Not sure what happened to this. Let me check. ITM puts are not increasing. That's very sad to see. The calls are like jumping in the morning, but the puts, even the ITM puts are not jumping. Right? I'm seeing some sudden drop, but then it's not moving. Oh, suddenly now it's getting released some 3 rupees. Oh, wow. Out of nowhere it started jumping now. As soon as I made the comment, it started jumping. But still, I would say that the calls were naturally appreciating. The puts had to struggle. That's the thing. Um, so I placed some fixed exits 340, 345, and 350. Three exits I have placed. One by one, if it goes, that will be great. Uh, Problem is, it's moving like 1 rupee, and suddenly there is a jump of some 5 rupees or a drop of 5 rupees in the put side. Kind of highly volatile. Wow, they are just suddenly it dropped to 318. From 330, it has dropped to 318, 313 now. My goodness, strange. Super crazy. Back to 322. The fluctuations are like 4 to 5 rupees now. Mhm. Okay, let's check the. It's finding its support at 9 EMA. But once it breaks the 9 EMA, it should attempt to reach 20 EMA and find the support. Um, so a drop till 740 levels should be natural. The biggest strength is around 700. That's where the real support is 200 EMAs because this is 5 minutes time frame, right? Like so, yeah. About to be watching. See, without any averaging, it has reached to 327, my entry point. So, kind of erosion only is happening both the sides. I would be happy to see a drop till 700 levels. Uh, So I have a chess class at 1:30. So I'll stream for another hour and then I will end the stream. I have a chess class to take. Maybe 3 o'clock it will get over, and I don't think that's for half an hour I will do the streaming. So Monday I will catch up after today's stream. Hmm. So I will be online for next 1 hour. After that I'll take a break. Hmm. 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 So I'm going to hold on with this. 1 second. Grace, come on. She's ultra playful. I will take her out just a moment. She's just come, 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 come. Come, Grace. So market is holding up at this level for some time now. 314 it has gone to. Mm. Can we expect 44K today? Some chances are there, Bhaskar, but it can also go to 650 levels. We are and Fridays we cannot predict the directions. There are algo moves, but looking at the way that it is going, it has the potential to reach. Okay, 44K. Uh, it's Let's see if it is making one more breaking of high here. This okay. I would rather end the stream. Hi, Omkar. Yeah, I can see the. Okay, so the stream is on only. All right. So hmm, market is making a new high. Let me check the comments. So that's a big short covering rally. Clearly the market going higher now. Hmm, 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 hmm. So 850 is done. Just a moment. Hello. Huh. So தெரியலையே இப்ப நான் பார்க்குறேன். இல்ல இல்ல அதெல்லாம் எதுவும் இல்ல. இல்ல பார்க்குறேன். ம். போட்டு தான் இருக்குன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். சரி. ஓகே. சரி ஓகே. ம், 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 ம். So huge short covering rally this is. Uh, mm, 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 mm. So it's coming, it's finding some sort of consolidation around 850 levels. Let's see if there is any change from here. Mm, mm. So I got some more quantities around 291. Planning to exit that at 320 or something around that. And let's see if there is any signs of pull down or market going to rally further higher. It's very indecisive, but looks like the market is in a short covering rally mode. However, it's too early to comment because 1 o'clock moves are the 1 o'clock post 1 o'clock we have the algo moves. The algo moves, I don't know if it will be on the upside or downside. Looks like at this juncture, 850 was pretty much, one of the things that we have anticipated in the morning, a potential pull up to 850. But right now, we don't know if it will sustain here or it will come down. Next 10-15 minutes will reveal us a lot of more details. Um, Basis which I will decide upon what to do with the put options. Because the put is going down dramatically, and the calls OTMs have appreciated pretty strong, which in itself is a strong indicator. Plus, the graphs are also favoring the calls, but algos will usually work against the trend. So, if you are having a upside rally, then the algo will be most likely on the downside. If you are having a downside rally, then the algos will be on the upside. So, kind of indecisive moment. Let's wait and then see, because I don't want to really do anything. No averaging at this juncture. This is good enough. If there is any sort of moves, then I will decide what to do. Let me check the comments. got to also leave in some time. How much more higher do you think the bank nifty towards the next levels of resistance? Next levels of resistance is already at the resistance level. Let's say 64 is the UT2 level. If it doesn't find any resistance here, then 926 is where the next resistance is. 960 to 926 to 950. Um, but right now, what's happening here is going to be very critical, uh, because the algos are going to start anytime soon. And although the patterns are all indicating its uptrend clearly on the upside, all the indicators are below, and the market is trading above those EMAs, pretty much on the favoring the bulls. Wow, what a rally! Clearly, market's going higher and higher. Got to be very careful now. Hmm. These are really such a attack on the bears. You can see that the PE sites are like disappearing in its premium so fast. Not a good sign. So I think I might have to close it, but let's wait for a minute or two, and then I'll decide if I should stay or exit. Some pullbacks are there. Uh, because we are already around almost like 900 now, right? Like that's pretty much a good rally. So we are about 125 points away from 44K. Very likely scenario for the market to test there, but you never know. We have seen the market uh, just dancing around 200 points the whole day with some algo moves. So I'm not very sure if market has the thrust to go till 44K, but it looks like it has got everything. Like the setup is all like suited for such moves if needed. Mm, okay, it's finding some really good strength and then moving higher and higher. Kind of very strong move. This is. Mhm. It's going with thrust.